Yeah, you first. You first. Is the music too loud? Alright, I'll turn that down. Appreciate it. We do have something interesting on the daily though. Historically speaking, when we get momentum waves that high in the daily bearish divergence, it's about a 17% move down on average, which would put us right in the neighborhood of 17.2. Kind of where I'm looking. There is some bullish cases to be made though. 4 hour looks bottomed. 90 minutes, same thing, but the money flow is still coming out on the 90 minute, so something to keep an eye on. Current position. If y'all have any questions, fire away in the chat. Hello, gamblers. Are you in a long, Royal? Short. Fair enough. Anybody have any price predictions for Bitcoin? Oh, yeah, hit the like button. Good call. What should we chart? Somebody give me that. Yeah, you make a good point. We'll try to add that before the next stream. ETH, let's see what we have. Daydream Band did well on those, no doubt. Should give us a nice downtrend to follow. And then a lower high. If we put in a lower low here, we could revisit that $1,000 mark pretty soon. What is this on my chart? Failed head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulders. Let's take a look at Solana. But you guys aren't very talkative today. That might be a good trade setup, actually. Where do you think, in your opinion, you see Bitcoin bottoming? That's tough. I mean, there's an argument to be made that the bottom is in, although I don't believe that to be true. Hence why I keep shorting all the pumps. Man, that's a loaded question. is the top above you in your position? I think we see Bitcoin between 12,000 and 15,000. A lot of people think it goes lower than that. What is the top above your position? It's nothing yet. But yes, I do need Discord links and stuff. Flash crash to 9K. I don't know about that. It's possible. Anything's possible, obviously. August 22nd will be interesting. So the people that got hacked on the Mt. Gox exchange back, I think in 2017, they're going to have access to their Bitcoin for the first time since then. And that's supposed to be about $3 billion worth of Bitcoin coming on the market. And those people that are getting access, their average buy-in price is $300 per coin. So they're going to be in mad profits the second they get the access to their coins. Does that create a big sell-off? I don't know. That could be a black swan type event. So interested to see how that plays out. Yeah, so it's August 22nd is when they're supposed to start paying back the Bitcoin of this year. Interesting. Wonder how low you can put some orders and get snapped up. Yeah, I don't know. Ladder down. What I'm curious is if this creates a big sell-off in Bitcoin, will all the alts follow with it? And if so, how cheap will alts be on a flash crash? You might get things like Solana at $7 or $8 a coin. And then, yeah, it would be one major shopping spree. See how many coins you could collect and hold till next bull run, because do better than Bitcoin percentage wise. I think Bitcoin's still the safest investment in all of crypto. Obviously. Very interesting. They're like two sides to yeah, and very well. People that are holding Bitcoin from $300 unintentionally, yeah, they might hold and wait for 70,000 again or 100,000. What I find very interesting is if Hex isn't a scam, what he's creating is essentially what happened to all these people that had Bitcoin. They were forced to hold, and now they're up, I don't know, 6,500% or something. What would that even be? Yeah, 6,800%. Be pretty hard to not sell something that you're up 6,800% on, in my personal opinion. What is New York doing? You know, for the NASDAQ being down 2%, Bitcoin has held pretty well today. It's actually down less than the NASDAQ, which is interesting. Even selling half, and they had made up for their suffering while holding huge amounts still. Yeah. Who knows how that plays out? Who knows how many people quit crypto over that whole ordeal when they lost their Bitcoin back then when it was just getting going. And they just had nothing to do with it, and now they get a chance to actually sell their Bitcoin. They're probably going to sell it all. Bitcoin's trying to get a little bounce here. 15-minute coming back in. Oh, those RSIs are gapped pretty hard. I will definitely be selling depending on how much. Yeah, I don't see how we get through that without quite a bit of selling. Honestly. If anybody's looking for a quick scalp, this is not financial advice, but Bitcoin could come up here and trigger. No. Throw a little leverage on that. Wouldn't be bad. 1.5. 7x leverage should be a pretty good little scalp. Did everybody like the video? Come on, help me out here. This is mind-numbing. Let's check in on our position. If you're in a short, where are you looking to take profit at? You're looking for a long on ETH. Okay. These are my points of interest as we go down on Bitcoin here. The 2200 area, if we lose it, I'm looking for 19.5. If we drop 19.5, obviously 19, and then I honestly think if we drop 19.5, we retest the lows. Which could make for a really nice position. I just don't know if I want to hold the trade that long in this environment. Oh shoot, I'm not even showing my chart. Gosh, my bad. You're looking to long 1100. 11,100. Okay, I could see an argument to be made there. If you do long, I would be I'd be cautious. We've got a trend line right above us that could get hit. Most times when I see this, you're not wrong. Ethereum's got a lot going on it right now. Yo, what's up, Daydream? This really looks like one big bear flag, doesn't it? Gosh. Another descending wedge. We are in a short, according to the color. Let's measure the distance on these from the initial drop to when we drop again. So the last time when we was forming this bear flag, we ran it for 29 days. Descending wedge. So when the drop came through, almost 23 days, 24 days. If you're a range trader, it's been a beautiful time for you. It is presentable, for sure. Should we take a look at ADA? Does anyone hold that Ponzi scheme? How much ADA do you have? Nah, you don't have to answer that, actually. This is not Discord. Man, I sold mine and it has done nothing but dump since. Gosh. 0. Okay, Ada is in a very, very dangerous place right now. Where in the hell? So if I'm looking to enter Ada, I'm looking in this area here. This is not good. Money flow coming down into the red on the 4 hour. VWAP looks like it's going to reject. Where's the daily? Daily rejected, yeah. If I'm trading Ada, if we lose this box, you're 43. There's just so much liquidity below us. Open pools, open pool, open pool. By 8 hit 1 cent. Damn, that's rough. I said a long time ago when I sold mine that I was looking to start buying ADA again at about 27 to 28 cents, I think is what I said in the Discord. And everybody thought I had lost my mind. Check on our trade. Yeah. I'm really thinking about turning this scalp here into a swing. I guess my trading plan would be take 25% here, re-enter my profits back in, move my stop loss to wherever my new entry would be. Take another 25 or 50% profits here. Same thing. Put my profits back into the trade, move my stop loss somewhere in this range is where it would end up. Swing it all the way down to 19 or lower. Dangerous grounds. All right. Anybody else have any more questions? I'm gonna have to run here pretty soon. Yeah, I gotta get better on talking more as I chart, no doubt. It's much easier when there's questions in the chat though. enter at 21K. Yeah, from what I'm seeing at the moment, if we make it up there, and there's a pretty good likelihood we will, this 4 hour trying to print. Yeah, 21.2, 21.3 is where I would look if we challenge at 21. Right now we're having a hard time getting over 20.8. So we shall see. We definitely should have took that trade yesterday when we was live streaming from here. That would have been a nice one. Yeah, it's been 25%. Not bad. Just trying to make a move up. We should get one, especially if Wall Street starts getting some relief. Where are they at? NASDAQ was down 2% at one point today. It's back to 1.6. So there's a chance we get some relief here. What did I share earlier? I did this one here too. It's a little quick scalp. If we get into that golden pocket, we're going to want to see here on the 1 minute, we want to start getting some bearish divs coming. And money flow going down. Let's see. No bearish divs. Damn, right off the golden pocket. Gotcha. You want to go to Warzone, 5-second chart? Thank you. We're in the 1-second Warzone right now. See where this goes. Did anybody take the scalp short off of that? What is the purpose of something this quick? Absolutely nothing. Which is kind of fun to watch. It gives you an indication on money flow too. What's going to feed into the 1 minute. But yeah, pretty much nothing. Entertainment purposes. Not quite a bear, dude. a whole 0.5%. Not even. Let's look at XRP. Ooh, that's not looking good on the daily. Ooh. Case for 27-cent XRP. Yeah, I honestly don't know how their case is going. I suppose it depends which side of the bias you watch the news reports on. You're buying at 27? Whew. I don't know that I'm going to buy any more XRP. This downside of the M leg plays out, you might get it under 26. Yeah, I mean, do you ever have a big enough bag? But the only thing I know is I've watched that bag do nothing but decrease in value for the past 7 months. Oh. I know. Trying to short it against myself. Should have just sold it all and walked away. I got 1/8. The metaverse they made actually has users. I think they broke a record. Really? Interesting. Let's check out 8. The other side, I guess. It's had a nice little run up. Shit, it went all the way down to $3. Gosh dang. That is a dangerous token to be playing with. It looks like it's still following Bitcoin, just way more dramatic as it does it. Yeah, what does Jeb have? Like 34 million XRP left to dump? How's our short? Yeah. That looked a lot better earlier in the stream. All right, ape. Interesting. You could make a case that we could see a little pump, just like Bitcoin. Look to short about $5. I'm going to put P&L in trading view. Okay. What if my trade's going bad and I want to go somewhere and hide from it? No hiding. The boss is strict. I mean, yeah, you could make the case for an inverse or a head and shoulders forming here too. Maybe wait to short it at the 236. It's ape right around $4 again. Let's check back in on Bitcoin. See if it's still playing in that golden pocket. Still right here on this very local golden pocket. Getting our bear dips. Starting to. Got the money flow. Money flow's coming down. Leave that there for the 1 minute. See how that plays out. Higher high B, come join. Let's see what that means. See what our 1 second's looking like. We're gonna pump along the farm. 1 second money flow is coming up. I don't know if anybody took this trade or not, but I think it still might end up being a decent little scalp. Yeah. Yeah, don't forget to click the like and notification bell. Subscribe, and that seems weird to say out loud. Thank you about the music comment. It was all Nick. I had nothing to do with it. I made a playlist. None of my songs made it. Dang, the dollar just keeps going. Who's no? Oh, you're trying to pass the blame now, huh? I'm just kidding, by the way. Yeah, he is. All right, so here's a potential setup for us, especially the way this week's starting out. The DXY will come back and retest right at 107, and if it gets a bounce from there, it could be a good point to add to our shorts or look to enter a short on Bitcoin or Ethereum, however you feel. Who are you? You're getting used to the chat interactions. Yeah, we need to get I need to have one of you guys become a mod for the YouTube chats. I don't even know how to set that up, but one day we're gonna need it. Your joke's been landing flat. Let's see. Where did I just put that? Anyhow. Well, that'd be handy if it's built in. I didn't figure it would be that hard, but I also do not know much about YouTube. This little dump here on DXY is going to give us a chance to add to our shorts. All right, everybody. I think I am done for now. We're just chopping sideways. Little relief. Little relief. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining. I'm going to cut it here.